How to find your time spent on TikTok. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in these videos. So let's start. First, you will just open your Instagram. Then after this, when your Instagram is open, you will just go here to your profile, click on profile. Then go to the top of the screen and click on this three line, then go to settings and privacy. And after say this on settings and privacy, you will just go now to screen time. And here guys, you will find your time spent. For example, Sunday, Monday, Thursday, or today. And here you can change the week. For example, the last week I spent just this, and here the total and the daytime and the night time. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.